Thanks for joining me again today for a short mindfulness meditation practice. I'm Beth. I'm a clinical psychologist and a yoga instructor. So mindfulness basically means paying attention on purpose. And that's what these short series are, just a chance to take a break from all the difficulties happening in the world right now and have some purposeful attention, sometimes to our breath, sometimes to reflect on something. And that's what we're going to do today in the meditations I offer this week. We're going to be reflecting on some passages by this book from Sharon Salzberg. It's called Loving Kindness, and I will link to that down below. So Sharon Salzberg is a instructor of mindfulness meditation. She instructs Buddhist-based meditation here in the West. So I'm going to be reading from the chapter on equanimity. I'm going to read a short passage for reflection, and that is on page 142. And then I'm going to skip to page 152, and we'll use some of the statements that Sharon suggests as an exercise for today. So first on page 142, she says, "Pain and pleasure are constantly coming and going. Yet we can be happy. When we allow for the mystery, sometimes we discover that right in the heart of a very difficult time, right in the midst of a painful situation, there is freedom. In those moments when we realize how much we cannot control, we learn to let go." And so letting go in this context is not about liking a situation. It's not even about not trying to change what we can change. It's about letting those things that are outside of our control, like the current world situation, just be, allowing things to be as they are, knowing that we can't change everything. We can't get rid of all the pleasant, unpleasant, or painful experiences in the world, in our lives. In fact, that's a natural part of life. So as you get comfortable, find a comfortable seat. You can also be lying down if that's more comfortable for you. Eyes open or closed. Reflect on some aspects of this by sending wishes for ourselves. These are phrases that you can repeat to yourself, that we can all share together. So we're going to reflect on two phrases that Sharon offers. May we accept all things as they are. And may we be undisturbed by the comings and goings of events. Say to yourself, may I accept things as they are. Acknowledge the reality of what's going on. We can't grasp or hold on to anything that happens in life, both painful, unpleasant, and also pleasant and more neutral things. They come and go. Everything changes. May we accept things as they are. May we acknowledge reality just as it is. And then may we be undisturbed by the comings and goings of events. Again, that doesn't mean liking them or not being affected by them, but it means being able to view them with a solid core presence. Or as another Buddhist practitioner, Pema Chodron, says, "You are the sky. Everything else is just the weather." You as the sky remain undisturbed, remain solid and whole, as you accept everything else as just the weather. You don't have control over the comings and goings of other things. May you allow those things to be just as they are. Take a few more moments to reflect on these ideas. I'll repeat them one more time. May we accept things as they are. Or say to yourself, may I accept things as they are. And then may we be undisturbed by the coming and going of events. Say to yourself, may I be undisturbed by the comings and goings of events. Knowing that you can retain yourself, create space, have a choice about how to respond, even as things are difficult, even as the world is in crisis. As we conclude this meditation for today, offer yourself a little bit of gratitude. Know that you are doing the best that you can with what you have right now. We are all doing the very best that we can. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again.